The data analysis tool in your Excel. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily and quickly get the data analysis tool in your Excel. So let me show you the step-by-step process to do so. So the first thing that you will need to do is simply go to the file tab at the top left corner of your Excel screen. Once you click onto this file option, you will be landed into this page right here. Now from here you need to click onto this options button at the bottom left corner, and you will get this particular dialog box right here. Now from this dialog box you need to choose the add-ins option, and once you will choose the add-in option, you can see at the bottom this says manage Excel add-ins. So simply click onto this go button and it will open another dialog box. Now from here simply choose the analysis toolpak and the analysis toolpak VBA as well. Apart from that, you can also add the solver add-in if you want, and also there is a euro currency tools as well. So once you are done with this, you can simply click onto this OK button, and now you can see that in the data tab we have the access of the data analysis and the solver tool as well under the analysis section in the data tab. So that's how easily and very quickly you can add the data analysis tool in your MS Excel. So that was all for this particular tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.